Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can identify context menu items on Windows 10. The item that I'm going to be identifying is this Convert to Extreme option that shows up when I right-click a zipped file. To identify a context menu item, you have to download a free app called Shell Menu View. Go ahead and download it and run the app. You don't have to install it. And make sure you know what the name of the context menu item is. So for me, since it's Convert to Extreme, I'm going to go through this first column, that is the menu name, and I'm going to look for Convert to Extreme. This list is alphabetically sorted, so it's pretty easy to find. And once you find your option, you need to go through these columns and look for the file name and the command columns. Both of these columns are going to point you to the app that has added this option to the context menu. And you can just copy that path, paste it into File Explorer, and you have the app that's added this context menu option. You can also hide this option from the context menu if you want to. To do that, right-click it and then select the Disable Selected Items option. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.